In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Google Meet in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, a best match should appear. Please click on Open to continue. Now, in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here. And once it is being ready for you, please navigate directly to the upper right side of that. You can see there an icon like this. Tap on it. And here you need to locate with Meet or Google Meet. So tap on it again. And in that way you would be redirected to the Google Meet where you can create a new meeting or you can enter a code or link or you can join a meeting right away. Okay, so from here, please navigate to the three dots, click on it, and locate your cursor to cast, save, and share, and go with install page as application. So if it will ask you to confirm your action, click on install, and in a few moments, you would be able to install that here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, minimize the window and close this one. Please, if it will, if you will look for the desktop, you would be able to see a Google Meet shortcut as well. And here, all you need to do is you need to check it to the settings if it's being placed here, aligning to the app. So go with the settings and click on Open to continue. And by the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Here, look for the apps and under the apps go with installed apps, and here in the installed apps you would be able to see all of the list of applications that are being present or that you have installed here in your Windows. So from here, all you need to do is you need to search for Google Meet to confirm if it has been successfully installed as application in our Windows. So by that, let's wait until this process will be finished. Once done, please scroll down and locate for Google Meet. Yes, it's here, meaning we have successfully installed it as an application. So by that, close the window, or you can also proceed to the notification where you can click on yes if you would like it to pin it to the taskbar, okay, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Now that said, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.